Hi, writing program. So today we're going to be setting up faculty bios so that we can have a nice, beautiful, and useful site for the students. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go right over to our website, which is huwriting.pbworks.com. Once you get there, you're going to see a page that looks a lot like this. You can just navigate right over to the faculty bios and find your own name. We've already set up a page for every member of the faculty, so you can just click on your name and you'll go right to your page. You can start editing right here. So you're going to want to click on the Edit tab right up here. Now, one thing that you're going to want to know right away is that if you don't see the Edit tab, it's probably just because you're not signed in, or maybe you don't even have an account yet. If you don't have an account, set it up, and if you have any trouble setting it up, just talk to the staff and we'll be happy to help you out. So once you're in here, you're going to want to start creating the main sections. First thing you're going to want to do is add contact information. Next thing is teaching. And the final thing is research. Now, go ahead and make each of these three different sections into a heading. You're going to want to use heading 2 right up here, and that's going to help you make sure that there's a nice structure to the page, but that they're also still smaller than your name right up here. So, after you do that, you're going to want to press enter, and that'll get you right back to normal font right up there, you can see. Now you're going to want to start inserting the information that you need here. For contact information, we'd like you to include your email, your office number, and your phone number. With email, it would be real great if you can make that into a usable link, so just select it, then press this little add link right up here. It'll make sure that it goes right to your email. If you click off it, it's now a nice link for you. So down in the teaching section, we'd like you to start with a brief teaching philosophy. For this, we really just want about 2 to 4 sentences that talk about what really drives your approach in the classroom. What do you think students are focused on? What really helps students learn? Things like that. So after you add that, we'd like you to add a list of all the classes that you've taught at the university. Make sure to include every class you taught and not just the classes that you're teaching this semester. That's important so that we don't have to start updating these every single semester. So go ahead and make that into a list and then make it into a bolded list. That's going to make it much easier to read. Finally, in the research section, again, please include a brief, like 2 to 4 sentence summary of your research, and then a few select works that you think students might want to read. Any articles that you've published in recent history that you think are kind of important, just put those right in there, and then your page is basically done with that information. We want you to add one more thing, which is we'd like you to go ahead and add a nice picture to your faculty bio. Now, in order to do that, you're going to go ahead and first select the place where you want to put it. We'd like you to put it in this right cell right over here so that you can make sure that it stays on the right-hand side of the page. Now, in order to insert the actual image, you're going to go to this right bar over here that says Insert Links, and actually click on the one that says Images and Files. Then you're going to have to go ahead and upload the file that you want. Click on Upload Files, and then select the file from your own computer that you want to upload. We'd highly recommend a nice headshot, something that shows you over a solid background, or something that just shows your face really clearly. Now, in this case, I'd already uploaded it before, but you probably won't see this when you upload it unless you use the same name as someone else. If you do that, then just say upload but keep both files and make sure you know what name of your file is. So in this case, the name was Headshot1. We just click right over here and then we click right in, and now the picture is up there. But as you see, it's awfully large, so go in there and you're going to want to change the size of the image. Just right click, press Edit Image, and then change the width. We are going to want all of our images to have a width of 300 pixels. That way they're going to be much smaller and much more appropriate for the size of the page. After you're done with all that, just go ahead and press Save, and now you've got a nice faculty bio page. Now just going back to the main faculty page, you can see that all of the rest of them look exactly the same, but they have no information on them. If we go here, we have our nice complete faculty bio page that'll work well for our students. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please just contact the staff. We'll be happy to help you through this entire process. And we're hoping to see a real great site start to take shape. Please, if you can, finish these up as soon as possible, and we'll send back edits if we see anything that needs to be changed. Thanks. Bye.